really rather amazing the way they build a nest with their beak and with their feet. Still weaving his first grass strands. He makes kind of a loop and then attaches the others to it. I do get a crick in my neck watching them all the time though, but it's fascinating to watch them build their nests. They go out and get blades of grass and just weave them together. Yeah, he's moving along. He's done this in about an hour.
That whole back end.
Right. Wow, several hours later, look how far he's come. It's looking really good.
She's looking. What do you think? What do you think? Isn't that beautiful? I made it just for you.
He's hopeful. This is an old weaver nest. Now when the female doesn't like the nest the male has built, she'll pull it to shreds. And then he has to start all over again. See, this is a piece from the nest. See how it's been woven? It's been looped back and pulled. That's what the bird does with his beak. And then he uses his feet to stretch it.